Alright, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy AnklesGod back in the fucking video. I eat ass.
Dick in your bitch, nigga. Dick in your bitch, nigga. She was on her knees, she was sucking on his dick, man. I caught her out, nigga, hit him with this full clip, nigga. I got a lighter, I ain't talking big, nigga. Run up in your shit, take all your shit, nigga. You know you a lick, nigga. You know that you sweet. When she sucking on my dick, feel like she don't got no teeth. Like that little nigga up, I ain't talking about no heat. Cause that bitch nigga up, I ain't talking about no grease. It's your bitch from the back, then I fuck around and leave. I don't want up this no more, fuck around, hit the leaf. Hey, sideways.
Alright, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy AnklesGod back in another fucking video. And today's video is, right, we getting niggas to tell their darkest secret, but they gonna be facing away, right? So it's like, nobody gonna know. They can leave that information there, get some shit off their chest, feel me? And then we gonna ask them if they wanna reveal themselves, turn around, or they can just walk off, feel me? Let's get into this shit, nigga. Alright, it's your boy AnklesGod, right? And today's question of the day is, what is your deepest, darkest secret?
I fuck my ex best friend.
Alright, do you want to turn around and reveal yourself, or do you want to walk away? Walk away. Alright, today's question of the day is, what is your deepest, darkest secret?
Shit. I ain't gonna lie. My shorty would sleep on the couch, you feel me, with her mouth open, and I slip my dick in her mouth.
Alright. Alright, do you want to reveal it, or do you want to walk away?
I'm walking away. Alright, walk away.
Alright, it's your boy AnklesGod back with another fucking video, you know what I'm saying? And today's question of the day is, what is your deepest, darkest secret?
So when I was dating this dude, he cheated on me and I cheated with all of his best friends.
All of them?
All of them. And he was a popular boy. I didn't fuck. I only have one body. But I definitely cheated.
Alright, do you want to reveal yourself, or do you want to walk off? Okay. Word. Say what's good to him.
What's good? I'm Ashley. Ashley.
Alright, so we're AnklesGod, you know what I'm saying? And today's question of the day is, what is your deepest, darkest secret?
I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I snuck a shorty in the crib. I got some neck. My brother kind of walked in. Had to fucking shut the door real quick. And I told that bitch she had to go. Fuck out of here.
How old is your brother?
Shit. He was 12.
Nigga 12. That nigga said that nigga. AnklesGod, you know what I'm saying? And today's question of the day is, what is your deepest, darkest secret?
I fucked with my ex's best friend.
So, do you want to reveal yourself?
Bitch, you up.
And, you know what I'm saying?
Absolutely not.
Or walk away?
I'm walking away.
Alright, you go. Alright, today's question is, you know what I'm saying, what is your deepest, darkest secret?
I eat ass.
You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch.
Do you want to turn around and reveal yourself, or do you want to walk off? You proud of eating ass, nigga? Come on, nigga. Yeah, this nigga eat ass, nigga. Alright, today's question of the day is, what is your deepest, darkest secret?
That kid thick as hell. I fucked my uncle in the ass.
What, nigga?
Yeah. That is Derrick Hamilton.
Alright, today's question is, what is your deepest, darkest secret?
I fucked somebody's mom in the school.
Swear to God.
Swear to God.
What the fuck, nigga? Okay, do you want to reveal yourself and turn around? Or do you want to just walk off?
Walk off.
Alright, today's question of the day is, you know what I'm saying, what is your deepest, darkest secret?
Well, I was fingering the bitch, right? And first I had the 2 deucey in there, right? Then I threw the Tracy. Then I threw that 4 deuce. Then I just started uppercutting that shit like, Mom.
You fisted a bitch?
You what? Yeah, bro. That shit was white as shit. I don't know if she had a baby or not, but that shit was white. Mom.
You say you don't know she had a baby? What the fuck, nigga? It was what?
I ain't even want to fuck, bro.
The pussy was what?
Like, it was wide. Like, it was too open. Like a football. Like, it was open.
Alright, do you want to reveal yourself?
Bro, that shit was open. I ain't even gonna lie. That shit was
That nigga said that shit was open. What the fuck, nigga? Alright, today's question of the day is, what is your deepest, darkest secret?
Like a few months ago, I was on a cruise and I had cheated on my ex-boyfriend like 5 different boys.
You what? 5 niggas?
Yes.
Wait, what he do to you?
He was cheating on me way before with his ex-girlfriend.
Alright. Do you want to reveal yourself? Or do you want to walk off?
That's the dumb nigga.
She cheated on her ex-boyfriend with 5 niggas. What?
You cheated on your ex nigga with 5 niggas? I got a question.
Huh?
You a smooth?
Would you cheat on your boyfriend now?
No.
Why?
Cause I love him.
So if you seen a nigga with a big ass dick, and he look good, you not cheating on him? Like he your type, but Zay not your type. You not cheating on Zay?
No, I'm not cheating on Zay. Never.
But what if Zay cheated on you and you don't know about it?
Huh?
What if Zay cheated on you and you don't know about it?
That's what Zay does. I don't know.
Why did Zay have a cold sore on his mouth? And he ate your pussy, didn't he?
At a mistletoe?